In this video, we are going to show to you RTM Marketing Group's new website solution called RWeb. RWeb is a new and dynamic, very easy to use website solution that we offer to our clients. RWeb puts the control of web design back into your hands. There will never be another need to contact an outside programmer to update your website. You will be able to do all of yourself, and in this video we will show you exactly how to do that. First, I want to show you some RWeb examples that we have made. As you see here, the RTM Marketing Group website is based on an RWeb application. We have also built websites for Signal Enterprise, Carroll Tire, TBC, including Tire Kingdom, Merchants Tire and Auto Centers, NTB, and Big O, and RHockey, which is a website for a hockey store located in Maine. The first thing that you need to do in order to start manipulating and updating your website is to log in. Once we log in, you will see some new functionality added to the website. Up top here, we have a Webmaster's Tools, we have Administrator's Control Panel, and then we have this Edit Mode, User Mode light switch. When we are in user mode, we see the website as the normal person logging onto our website. It is when we switch into edit mode that we can start making changes and updating our site. The first part of RWeb that needs to be understood is how to add layout containers. First, you click on Add Layout Container. Now we can see here that we have many different options. We can pick a layout container that fills up the whole screen, half screen, 3/4 screen, or a third of a screen. Once we've picked our container, we can start adding elements. Here are some examples of containers. Here's the full screen. Here's a 3/4 screen and quarter screen. If we want to move one element from one container to another, all we have to do is pick up that element and drag it to where we want it to go. So you see now that this new slideshow is now bigger than where it was before. And to move it back, we simply pick it up and put it back to where we would like it. To add an element, you click on the Add Page Element button. Once you do that, you see that it loads a bunch of different elements that you can add. You can add text blocks, you can add a single photo, you can add a document, you can add a link to your favorite website, you can add a contact or a business card, you can add a sponsor, you can add a photo gallery of more than one picture, you can add a news aggregator or an event aggregator, a video as the one you're watching here, you can add a page divider which separates the different elements from each other, you can add a spreadsheet in the table builder, you can add code if you know HTML, you can add a sitemap, a new slideshow, you can add a Twitter feed reader, a flash file, a survey report, a survey registration link, a power poll to ask questions such as how do you like our new website, a MailChimp list subscription form, or a mirror so that one element mirrors another element. To add pages to your website is very easy. For this example, we will click on Programs, and then we will add a new page under the Programs button. So we add a new page. We will call it New Page. New Page. You can also pick the display status that you wish. If it's disabled, only webmasters that are logged in can see it. If you mark it as private, only people that you want to see it can see it. And if you mark it as public, then the whole world can see it. We'll mark this as public. So as you can see here, the new page has been created, and this is actually live on the RTM Marketing Group website. We can now take this page and move it to where we want it in the list here. If we want to add a new element to the page, we click on the new page. We first want to pick the container that we would like to use. We'll pick a half and half container. And then we want to add the new layout. So this is the full layout container. Here's the half and half layout. We'll add a page element here. We will add a text block. We'll create that page element. And then I will also add a picture. And adding a picture is much like attaching a file to an email. Choose the file. And there we have it. So we have our two elements, and again, we can organize our elements the way that we pick it. And then when we go back to our user mode, we can now see our new element, and this is now live on our website. It's that easy. We appreciate you watching the video. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact us at 207-433-0865, or you can fill out the custom form that we have built on the website. And a third way is you email us by clicking on the Contact Us link. We thank you for your time, and we hope you enjoyed our video.